Okay, Google, turn on kitchen. What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and today I'm going to be changing out some of my old traditional paddle light switches with some smart light switches. With the smart light switches, you don't have to reconnect them if the power or Wi-Fi go out. They kind of just reconnect automatically. These also work with Google Assistant and Alexa. Big shout outs to Gosund for sending these out for the video and also sponsoring the video. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, we'll take a look at what all is included in the box. So I have here a 4-pack. They actually sent me 13 of these. I'm actually going to replace most of the light switches in my house with these. But for this video, we're gonna do just a quick install process and I'll show you guys how they work. But here I've got 4 light switches in the 4-pack. You can see there's all the wiring for those. It comes with wiring nuts, and then it comes with outlet covers for each of the switches. There's also a manual here. So a quick thing to mention, these are single pole only. If your light can be controlled from 2 different power switches, that's a 3-way switch, and the Gosund light switches will not work. The manual also gives you a wiring diagram, and then there is the QR code for connecting these light switches to Wi-Fi and getting them working with your assistants. So before you get started with touching any live wires or anything like that, just for safety, you'll definitely want to come to your electric panel here and make sure that your breaker is turned off for the light switch that you're going to be working on. Just for a little bit of extra precaution, of course, you could check the lines with a voltmeter, and I've got no power, so we're good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. For the Gosund light switch here, the red is going to be your load wire, black is live, white is neutral, and green is ground. So you'll just have to kind of figure out which wire is which in your light box here. So your neutral lines is normally going to be just a bundle of white lines pushed back into the receptacle. It's not necessarily going to be connected to anything. Your load line is normally going to be connected to the top half of your switch, and then the line lines will be on the bottom half of the switch. So I think Gosund has these labeled as live. Those should be on the bottom half of your switch. And then of course, your ground is generally going to be a bare copper wire. Okay, so I've got everything wired up here. I'm gonna be mindful of the fact that when I turn my breaker box on, these will all become live. But I'm gonna go ahead and test my light switches just to double check that everything's wired up properly before I install the light panel back in the wall. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see the blinking green lights, but these light switches are now turning my lights on and off, so I know that I've got all my wiring correct. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in place, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to connect these to your assistant. Next up, we're gonna launch the Gosund application. You can find it in the link in the description. So go ahead and add the device. We're gonna add a switch. This has to be on a 2.4 gigahertz network. So it's not gonna work on a 5 gigahertz network. If your router does both, make sure that you do separate the networks. That way you can connect to the 2.4 gigahertz network. So I'm gonna go and connect to my 2.4 gigahertz network, and I'll put in my password to that network. All right, it says if the indicator is blinking fast, skip the reset step. Otherwise, hold the reset button for 5 seconds. So if you need to reset this, you're gonna press and hold this button for 5 seconds to reset it. As long as the lights are blinking green fast, you're good to go. So we're gonna confirm that and select next. And now it is adding the devices. All right, so it did find both of my switches here, and it has connected to both of them. I'm gonna go ahead and rename these. So I'm gonna rename these to kitchen, both of them, because both of these are kitchen lights, and when I talk to the Google Assistant, I'm just gonna call it kitchen. So we'll call these kitchen. Hopefully it'll let me name them both kitchen, okay. And done. All right, so now I can control these from the application. So as you can see, I just turned off the lights in my kitchen, and I can turn them back on. All right, like so. You can also control them from the wall. All right, so next up, we're gonna go ahead and connect this to our Google Assistant. So I'm gonna go into the Google Home app. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit the plus sign here, set up a new device. We're gonna go with the works with Google. Okay, we should be able to search Gosund. All right, so there's Gosund, and we're gonna go ahead and link our accounts. All right, so now that we're linked, we should be able to speak the command. Okay, so we'll go ahead and give this a try. Okay, Google, turn on kitchen.
Sure. Turning 2 switches on.
Okay, Google, turn off kitchen.
Okay. Turning off 2 switches.
All right, and just like that, now we have smart light switches in my kitchen. All right, guys, that about wraps it up for this video. The Gosund lights were incredibly easy to install. It only took me about 30 minutes, and I have no electrician experience. So it was very easy for me to do that. I'm sure it'd be easy for you. And I love the fact that they do connect to Google Home and Alexa and give you that voice command ability, which is really awesome. I'll be sure to include a link in the description of where you can pick up your own Gosund light switches. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.